For beginners in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose a program that offers simplicity, support, and a user-friendly interface. Here are some affiliate marketing programs that are well suited for beginners. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is often recommended for beginners due to its user-friendly platform and wide range of products. It offers easy integration with websites and provides beginners with a straightforward way to start earning commissions. ClickBank. ClickBank is popular among beginners because it primarily focuses on digital products. It offers a user-friendly interface, comprehensive tracking tools, and a wide range of niches to choose from. ClickBank's marketplace provides detailed product information and gravity scores, which indicate the popularity of a product. ShareASale. ShareASale is known for its beginner-friendly platform, easy navigation, and intuitive interface. It offers a variety of niches and products to promote, and its reporting system provides detailed insights to track your performance. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. While CJ Affiliate caters to both beginners and experienced marketers, it offers helpful resources and support for newcomers. It has a user-friendly interface and provides access to numerous well-known brands and advertisers. eBay Partner Network. eBay Partner Network is another suitable option for beginners. It allows you to promote eBay's vast range of products and earn commissions on qualifying purchases. The program provides helpful tools and resources to get started. When choosing an affiliate marketing program as a beginner, consider factors such as ease of use, available support and resources, commission rates, payment options, and the range of products or niches available. Additionally, it can be helpful to join affiliate marketing communities or forums where you can connect with other beginners and learn from their experiences.